In this video, I'm going to show you how to make brushes in Paint Tool SAI. So this is actually super simple. All you have to do is go to the left over here where you can see your brushes, and what you want to do is right click anywhere where there's empty space. So I'm just going to right click over here like this, and then whenever you do that, you want to click on any of the brush types you want to add. So for example, I'm going to click on brush over here. There we go, and it's going to create a brush. Now you can simply double click on it, and this will allow you to give it a name. I'm going to name this one tutorial right now, and of course you can also add a description, so I'm just going to type in test like this, and then you can set a stroke stabilizer over here if you want to. You can basically set the stroke smoothing level individually. I'm going to do 5 over here, and then you also can add pressure stabilizer. I'm going to do 5 as well. So it's up to you. You can test this, you can change it, whatever. And if you want to add a shortcut key, you can also add it in here. Now click on OK, and the first thing over here is been done. Now you can just click on it, and then down here you can customize your own brush. So the size, minimum size, density. You can also add different advanced settings, stuff like quality, edge hardness, etc. Okay, so that's essentially how to make brushes in Paint Tool SAI. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.